Hey, guess what? I'm with the two greatest golfers in Hawaii, but who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shot of the man in the pan, come on! And here's my greatest fan, the most handsomest boy of all. And you know what? He can do all kind of tricks, but who's the fastest chef? Let's see.
Man in the pan.
Man in the pan! Big shot of the man in the pan! Ah, yeah! Here's the best Steven personality of all. Man, I tell you what, when I grow up, I'm gonna be like you, kind of.
I'm trying to be like you.
I'm gonna be like you.
I'm trying to be
But who's the fastest chef?
the man in the pan.
Okay, big chunk of the man in the pan! Hey, guess what? I got Lily over here, the sweetest girl from Rismatic. They get the best Japanese food wholesaler, right?
Yes.
But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big chunk of the man in the pan. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm gonna do one slam bam dish. So easy. First of all, start boiling the water. Okay, boil the water. I'm gonna cook this Sapporo Ichiban. Now, the packet. Okay, the seasoning is very important. You keep them on the side. Okay, put that on. And while the thing is cooking, let it cook for 3 minutes. You grab 2 eggs. Okay, 1, 2. For this Sapporo packet, you put in about half package of seasoning. You beat it and mix it all up. Okay, you chop up about 1/3 of the can of Spam. Okay, in small pieces, just like this. Okay, just like that. Okay. Put it on the side. Now I wash these string beans. You know, it's round string beans, okay? I just slice it up real thin. Just like this, okay? The pan, I throw in my Spam. You don't have to throw enough in any oil, but the Spam has enough fat in it, okay? I got the Spam frying over here. I'll put in the string beans, just like that, okay? And mix it all up. You can just eat it like this. You put some oyster sauce on, it would be some super good. But once the thing is done, I dump me like half of the ramen noodles and mix it up. Just like this, okay? Spam and the string beans. I'll mix it together with the ramen noodles. Just like this. The 2 eggs that I cracked. And I mix it with the packet ramen sauce. I pour it right over. Just like this, okay? Pour it on the saimin. See what I'm doing? Pushing everything in together. And I'll grab my spatula and I'll flip everything over. Cook the other side. Just like that. Okay, the thing is done. Turn off the stove. Here you go. The most unbelievable fried ramen. The burger look good, but let's see how it tastes. Okay, I'll cut it up. Here you go. Fried ramen omelette with Spam and string beans. Okay, burger look good. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, the burger is so honor. There you go again. Oh. Oh, it's so hot. But it's so honor. It's so unbelievable. So until next time, we'll see you on the Man in the Pan. Aloha.